Hey there, Capricorns. Welcome to my channel Dream Tarot. This is your July 24th July reading, daily reading, and it can be it will be a general reading. It may resonate you or may not. Please take those messages what resonates you and leave the rest. Let's start your reading. Let's see what's coming up for you for today. First card is Queen of Swords, Capricorn. Second card is the Seven of Wands. Let's see what another message. The Tower. Underneath the deck you are having Three of Swords. So it's like that you are very much disappointed about something. Maybe you are having some financial lack and insecurity about your finances, and you are very much disappointed today. You're heartbroken. It can be if not the financial situation, it can be your relationship situation where you are not stable in your connection in your relationship, and you are insecure about your relationship because this person is left you out in a cold, and this person is not taking care of you and this connection and this relationship as they should. So you are very much heartbroken because there is a third party, or when you start a day you are very much communicating towards to others, or maybe you are you start a day to communicate that person, and this person can break your heart today, or maybe it's a harsh communication happening between you and your partner, and the middle of the day you what allegations or someone is putting allegation over you. That's why you are very much in a heartbroken situation. If it's a work situation, in workplace you are feeling insecure about your finances and your work. If there is a danger for you because there is a chance to fire you from a job, it's like that. So maybe someone is putting allegation over you, which is making you heartbreak, which is giving you heartbreak at a workplace, or maybe if it's a relationship, your person is getting harsh over you, but in the middle of the day you are trying to defend yourself from allegations and whatever allegations other peoples are putting over you. You are very much over on a defensive side, not in a fighting side. You are on a defensive side. You are defending yourself, you are defending your reputation, and at the end of the week maybe some kind of disrupt, maybe breakup can happen today with your partner, or maybe you can leave your job today. So there is some kind of unexpected destruction can come towards you. It can be a destruction for your inheritance, home and property. It's like that. Let's see. Deception for card is coming up. Game for you is a deception, Capricorn. Someone is near winning a false self mark in this relationship. So there is definitely a third party, which is you were thinking, and your person left you for a third party, and they were um, telling you today that they are going to this third party, and you are trying to defend this relationship, but this person will left you. So or it can be a situation for some people, not for all. So this person was wearing a false self mask, that they were telling you that they love you, but they're not in love with you, they were in love with someone else. In this situation can be for few of you, not for all of you. Let's see what is the number message, angel number message for you for 24th July, Capricorns. Let's see what is the message. Your message, two messages. 555 is for major signs. So today, change looking negative, but with the right mindset and alignment to your goals, it's actually your angel way to readjusting your life to fit with what you want to happen. If it's a change is in your life, and this change is making you very much shocked, so you and heartbroken, shocked and heartbroken, so you should not take this as a bad thing. You should take it as a good thing, because the way it is happening, the change is happening, and the way it is happening is not looking good, and it's looking negative. But you should faith on a universe and on your God, that things are working in your favor. If this person is leaving you, so universe will bring more better person for you. Or if something is going out of your hand, and something you lose today, if you are losing something today, so something good will bring towards you from universe and by your God. So you have to be faithful. 888 is your another message. Infinity, the endless loop of energy. You are effortlessly going with the natural flow and rhythm of what universe has in store for you. So you are not putting efforts here. You are not you should not, or um, you have not to put efforts here, because universe is working for you by itself. So they are working on your favor and giving you effortlessly you are getting what you want this time. So if this person is left you, you should not cry over them. So that was your message for Capricorn. If it resonates you, please let me confirm in a comment below, like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.